Hey YouTube, it's me, Tyler, and right now, really?
Yeah,
Yeah, my friend Armetta is here for another show of Nerf guns. Okay, so look, we have a 6-pack regular Nerfer. I'm gonna hold this. We have Clip Tech from Buzzbeat. Not yet,
Don't
not
touch
yet.
me, boy. Don't.
Hold on. Where are you putting it? Really?
Whoops.
Pick that up and put it back in there. Okay, we got the Tech 10. That's the 10 bullets, my best gun. And we have the pistol. Don't forget about the pistol.
Hey, man.
Here, reload it.
Man, you gonna make me do all this shit.
Yes. Got no bullets in it.
Nah.
Boy, don't make me dare.
Okay, I'm good.
Yeah.
Kiss my butt. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I wasn't.
Hold on. I'm about to do something with it. Yeah. Here, pick all the stuff up, put it together.
Say hi. Don't.
Ah! I'm under attack. Help me. He's hitting my head. Ah. Shh. He's right there. I fell. Mission alert. Now look at this guy. Tyler stinks. Tyler really stinks. Really stinks.
Hello.
He really stinks. He smells like garbage. Maybe more. Help me. He stinks.
Make this up as we go along.
Mama!
What? You scared me. Oh!
Mama!
You're not gonna wear this time. Hey, show the viewers me. I'm about to kill you.
Oh! Tyler stinks.
Oh.
How did you know? How did you know?
I didn't use I should give him the reflection from right there.
Uh-oh. Help me.
Oh my god.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, show me.
Toodles. What? What do you want?
Got sexy lover?
He is not sexy at all.
Neither are you.
He looks ugly. He ugly. That's why you didn't got a girl.
Mom.
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh, yes,
that's
I did it. Bye.
hit my butt. Ooh. Mama. Hey.
Ouch.
Mama. Oh, my balls.
How can that hurt?
Oh.
You should have any.
Oh. My head. Oh.
You shouldn't have any
I'm
balls.
gonna die.
You're cool.
Oh man, just
Yeah.
no bullets.
You have to
But
be
this
low.
is raw.
Look, let me get some bullets for you. Okay?
Yeah, you better, fool.
I like to have a little fun.
Whee! Sit
There's
on
no
the
bullets in
toilet.
this.
Hippos. Hungry. Hippos, just like Tyler.
Careful. That's my cousin's game.
Aw, how sweet.
Well, actually, it's mine. My cousins play with it.
Hey. Sit on the toilet.
Can't touch this. Look at me. Have a look at me. Have a look at me. Can't touch this.
Mm-mm.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Yeah.
Be scared of me. I'm your father. Hang on, fully loaded.
Oh, I thought he was about to hit me. My ball sack.
Here, I'll hold this. I'll have that.
You hold this? Yeah. Hold this then.
Here, do you want to play Hunter?
Hunter. Ooh, right
Here.
in the butt.
That hurt. You have that gun. Put this one down. That's going to be your secondary. Okay, right now I have to run away from him before he kills me. You don't play in the middle. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I stole your ammo, so that's why you mad at me. He missed me. Let's just keep it that way.
What are you doing?
Ouch! Okay, going downstairs. Come on. George! Be careful. I don't want to be trampled. Wow! Ouch! He shut my arm! Ouch! He shut my arm. That was in my arm. That was in my arm.
I'm good.
Yeah, I had to do that.